Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives on OnePlus Nord CE free Lite. And to do this you will need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download. So let's open this app. Inside find the files that you want to unpack, click on them, then select the arrow pointing up button. You will enter extraction options. You can customize them however you like, it's not necessary. You can click on browse to change the designation where the files should be unpacked. Then when everything is set, click on OK and your files will be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.